Welcome back, Future Medicos. On 18th November, the Tamil Nadu medical admission for the year 2020 has started. So, yesterday, that is on day one of medical admission, the admissions has happened for government school students who came under the 7.5% reservation for government school students. So, this is a new reservation that has started from this year. So, now let's see what has happened on day one. What are the number of seats allotted? What is the cutoff so far? And how many students have taken the seats, right? Let's see the details. Now, if you look at the day one, that is 18th November 2020, totally 270 students have been called for counseling, out of which 8 students were absent and only 262 students came for counseling. And out of these 262 candidates, 224 candidates got government colleges and 4 candidates have got self-financing colleges, that is MBBS, and 7 students have taken BDS seat in government colleges, and no seat under the BDS in self-financing colleges have been taken yesterday. So totally, if you look at out of the 262 candidates present, 235 candidates took some kind of seat, while 27 candidates decided to wait list. Now, why do they want to wait list? They want to have a chance at round 2. Probably at that rank, they might not have had a government college MBBS, so they decided not to join a self-financing college, and probably they wanted to come back in round 2 and see if there is some chance to get a seat. Okay, so that is the summary of day 1. Now, what are the vacancies available at the end of day 1? In government colleges, there are 3 seats available for MBBS. Now, when we say government college, because this year the certain semi-government colleges are also brought under the category A. So the 3 seats actually belong to Raja Muttaya Medical College of Annamalai University. So the 3 MBBS seats available are under Raja Muttaya. And then there are still 82 seats available under self-financing colleges, that is government quota in self-financing colleges. BDS government colleges, 5 seats are available. Once again, the 5 seats are available under Raja Muttaya Medical College. Sorry, Raja Muttaya Dental College. And then there are 80 seats available under self-financing BDS colleges under government quota. So totally 170 seats are available for candidates who are going for counseling on day 2. Now, if you look at the score of the last candidate who took a seat on day 1, that is what the summary I have shown. First, let's see MBBS category A. If you look at MMC, the cutoff for MMC was 498 marks for BC candidates, 444 for BCM, 513 for MBC, 482 for SC, 508 for SCA, and 242 for ST. So this is the cutoff mark for MMC for government school students. And similarly, you can see that there are other cutoff marks are displayed in the screen. Stanley 419 for BC, Kilpak 336, Coimbatore 324, Madurai 320, Tanjavur 308, Omandorar Estate 289, Tiruchi 282, Salem 279, ESIC Coimbatore 259. And you can see that there are no OC seats in the category A. Why? Because there are only 71 seats available under open category, and there is not even one OC candidate in the top 71 ranks. So only the top 71 ranks would have got open category. Since there is no open candidate, there is no unreserved candidate, basically, they could not get a seat under open competition. And there are some blanks. That means that there are no seats available for those candidates under that category, right? Because, for example, BCM, I think totally there are only 8 seats for BCM under government colleges. So that has been distributed across the 26 colleges available. That's why you see some blanks for other reservation categories. The same goes for SCA, the same goes for ST. ST only 2 seats reserved under ST category. So the 2 seats, one has gone to MMC, one gone to Madurai Medical College. And let's see some more colleges like Tirunelveli. Tirunelveli, if you look at the BC cutoff, 252, Theni 249, Chengalpattu 240, Velur 239, Thiruvarur 228, Viluppuram 218, Thiruvannamalai 215, Thoothukudi 214, Pudukkottai 210, and Karur 208. Now you can see all the other cutoff marks by just passing the screen. You can just take a look. And then if you look at the remaining colleges for BC, Sivagangai 208, Dharmaburi 208, Kanyakumari 206, ESIC Chennai 205, and Erode Medical College, that is the former IRT Perundurai Medical College 200, and Raja Mutaya 199. Now, why I did put a green color here, that means that there are still seats vacant. This is not the final cutoff. Whereas for all the other colleges I have shown in the previous slides, these are the final cutoff because seats are no more available. However, in Raja Mutaya, there are still seats available for BC category and SC category. So that's why I have shown them in a green color. So these cutoff will slightly decrease. Maybe some candidates take seats today. This might come down. And as we have expected, these 3 colleges slightly goes down at the bottom: ESIC Chennai, Government Medical College Erode, and Raja Mutaya Medical College, because the fee structure of these 3 colleges are slightly higher. Compared to all the other government colleges, the pure government colleges, 23 colleges, these 3 colleges, the fee structure is higher. ESIC Chennai is about 1 lakh, GMC Erode is around 4 lakhs, Raja Mutaya Medical College is around 5.5 lakhs. So that's why they are at the bottom. Now, category B, you can see that the first open category candidate has taken a seat under PSG Coimbatore. She didn't have a chance under the government colleges, but once the chance came, she took PSG Coimbatore, which is considered as the best private self-financing medical college in Tamil Nadu. Then MBC 204 is the cutoff. These seats still has not been taken. So today we will see more candidates taking seats under maybe like BC, SC and all. But these 3, like OC, this is the cutoff 293 for PSG. For MBC, this is the cutoff 204. And then SCA, this is the cutoff 218. And KMCH Coimbatore, again, seats are available. Okay, so no problem. This is 214 is, I think, one candidate probably might have taken. That's why I've shown 214. So anything highlighted in green, still the cutoff will come down. And even here, all these blanks will have some other candidates taking the seats today. So only these 2 colleges has gone on the first day, PSG and KMCH. All other colleges, no seats have been taken yet under self-financing private colleges. Now coming to Government Dental College, all seats has been taken up, and this is the cutoff. OC, there was one candidate who took a single seat in Government Dental College, and the cutoff was 216. BC 199, BCM 212, MBC 210, and SC 211. Once again, under Raja Mutaya Dental College, we still have some seats available. So that's why I have highlighted in green color. So these are the details I wanted to share after the day 1 counseling. It was really a historic day. The Chief Minister was there to give the certificates or the allotment orders to some of the candidates. And there was a group photo which looked very, very nice. My best wishes. I will see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.